Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the new WhatsApp update. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you want the latest version of WhatsApp, there are two different steps that you can go through to get those latest versions. One is to just to update it, and then another one is to force update the app. And I'll walk you through both steps. The very first thing that we can do is just head into our App Store here, and we're just going to search for WhatsApp. So if you're on an Android, you can go to Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp, and you can see WhatsApp here. Right next to it, it says open. If it says update, just tap the update button to get the latest version of WhatsApp. Otherwise, if it's open, you have the latest update. However, as I said before, sometimes it doesn't always update everything and give you the latest features. So we might want to force update it. And you can do that by hopping out of here, and let's get into our settings here. Nope, I'm going to go back. Once you're in settings, we will go down to the bottom and tap on general. And then we're going to tap on iPhone storage. And from here, we're going to look for WhatsApp and find it on this list. There it is. So once we're on here, we can tap offload this app and then reinstall the WhatsApp app. And what this does is it refreshes all of the core app files, gives you the latest version of the app and all of the latest features and updates and everything. Once that's done loading, you can open it up and use it as normal. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.